Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Germany in Hearts of Iron 4. To begin, focus on building civilian factories in your starting states to rapidly expand your industrial capacity. Use your initial political power to secure an extra research slot and appoint an industrial concern. Researching basic industry and electronics will give you a significant advantage. Start training a core army of 24 infantry divisions to prepare for your first territorial claims. Next, concentrate on developing a powerful air force, prioritizing fighters to gain air superiority and close air support planes for ground attacks. Your army should feature mobile panzer divisions for rapid encirclements and infantry for holding the line. Your first target will be Poland. Use your combined arms to defeat them swiftly. Afterward, prepare for the invasion of France, often through the Low Countries, to bypass their strong fortifications. As you expand, managing resources becomes crucial. Ensure a steady supply of oil and rubber through trade agreements or by conquering resource-rich territories. Begin building a capable navy, emphasizing submarines for convoy raiding and destroyers for escort duties. Continue to research and upgrade your tank and aircraft designs to maintain technological superiority. Crucially, start positioning your forces and building infrastructure on your Eastern Front in anticipation of the massive war against the Soviet Union. Finally, achieving global domination requires mastering logistics to keep your vast armies supplied across multiple fronts. Continue developing your military doctrines to enhance your combat effectiveness and unit organization. Integrate your conquered territories effectively to further boost your industrial and manpower capabilities. Plan strategic naval invasions against island nations and other distant enemies to complete your conquest. With careful planning and execution, you can lead Germany to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.